Alright guys, out here in the garage working on the Explorer. I'm actually getting ready to just re-separate these two. I just topped this off with ATF. I've filled it up with it on its side, and I got it to where it was just below the mark here, so that should be about here when she's full, so that should be good. She's all sealed up, ready to rock. Just gonna get all these bolts out of here. Me and Adam are gonna try and put this in tonight, or I'm at least gonna try and put it in tonight. He's here. He's actually got his kids with him. We're having a movie night, or hangout night. He'll make an appearance here shortly. I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna pick this up and
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
carry it that way. One car garage problems.
You crazy mother.
Let's see, can you see? Hey look, the clutch. I just tightened everything up. Everything's aligned. Good to go. We're gonna just go ahead and stab this transmission here. Oh yeah, Adam's here by the way.
Hi guys.
Long time no see, huh?
I know you're like, geez, all day you're on the show anymore.
Okay. So now, let me just get in here and nobody's gonna be able to see a thing.
Jimmy's, just going through a little transition.
Yeah, transition. Meh. Okay, so bring me that in.
Oh my good God, what the fuck is that?
That was a bastardized neutral safety switch. Yeah, we're not running that no more.
What the fuck? You gotta use this copper O-ring grinder, dude.
Those kind of failed.
Take them pull out transmissions under a Ford Explorer and killing you. Now this kind of reminds me of that, but it's not as bad because we were sitting on a bunch of fucking rocks.
Yeah, right. You know,
Just to have that transmission die. Just like, I'm eating your mat for breakfast. Smackmas.
Whoa, hold on, Jimmy, you're getting ahead of me.
Just a little bit. Okay.
This is how the automatic came out. This is how the manual going in. And we're not leaking any fluid, are we?
No, not yet. Well, if you want to have to take a bath, we can arrange that. Oh, let's hold on. Go up a little bit. Hold on. That's
gotta go.
hand. It's like, well, I think your transmission's well endowed. I think you have to go up more.
Well, my problem is I have this.
It was so bad, it was funny.
There's no place like home. There's no place like home.
Let me rearrange my situation here. How to put a transmission in the hard way.
You're like, well, I would have done this. You're like, shut up, we don't care what you would have done. Oh, now it's stuck down there in the bottom. Okay, up.
So the bottom needs to go
up
over the exhaust.
This is exhausting.
It is.
Everybody's like, God. Sorry, I'm turning my dad jokes up.
Okay. I feel like I can't do anything at this angle. Oh, I thought we had it.
No, we did. We did. And then we went up too fast and then slipped down. The pounding in the rain. Oh, hold on. All right, lift it up for a second.
Hang on.
I need you to take the weight. I got my arm in a really bad spot.
We need to come down.
Oh god, it'll stay down.
My arm feels like spaghetti. My arm feels like spaghetti.
Okay, let go. Okay. Is mayonnaise an instrument? Oh god. We're caught on the top of the fucking floor.
Dude, guys, I just got under here and benched it.
Yeah, we got it up there.
We just tilted it up as far as we could and it went over the exhaust. Hell yeah.
So all we gotta do is come forward now and it should sink right back in there. Oh, Jesus Christ, right in my face. It burns! Ow!
It's the beer, I tell you. Ah, fuck. God damn it.
Thank you for giving some help for this one.
I've lost all of my strength. God damn it. Why aren't you getting my face? Not that that's what she said or anything. I'm gonna need your help again.
Meanwhile, we watch Jimmy struggle. No, you're like,
Shut up.
Okay.
alright.
So Adam, score level on, or skill level, 1 to 10?
Definitely a 10.
Okay, that's what I thought earlier. Me and Adam are on the same page. Let's see, that's transfer case. These are regular
Yeah, I think
ones.
that was a very interesting. Helps to have two guys to do this.
Okay, that was definitely a 1 bolt here that went in.
You got the dowels lined up?
Yeah, we're just about mated, but I need to check and make sure we're not pinching wires up top.
If you can jack this vehicle higher when you're doing a trans swap like this, do it, because we can make it work. But as you see, the trans jack was being more of a hindrance than it was helping.
You know what's amazing though? We were able to do this without pulling the exhaust.
Yes.
Oh. Wiring is all hooked up. I'm gonna zip tie this up here on top of the transmission. We're bolted up. I just snugged everything up. I could get all the bolts from here. Freaking, you know, this thing is skinnier than the automatic, so you can actually get to stuff. So what I'm working on now is banging my hand up against really sharp objects. I'm gonna get the transmission mount put back up in here and get that attached. Get the cross member back in and just get this set down on the cross member, and I think I'm gonna call it a night. And in this video we'll continue on in the morning. So that's what's going on. Good morning, tubers. So I'm underneath the explorer here. I've got the cross member and everything is all bolted up now and snugged up. Tranny bolts are snugged up. It literally went right back in the same spot as the automatic where it was, so we're good there. So I think put that transfer case in here, we can well, just bolt her back up and hook everything back up and call it a day. We're almost done actually under here. I was just getting ready to bolt the exhaust back up. I only took this apart so that this can move around and not be bound up or anything.
Look at those big wheels around all over.
Yep, they're big wheels.
They can do. If you go watch shows for me.
What's Jimmy doing?
Fixing car.
Is that a starter?
Yes. Giant big for a guy to go into it, but it's broken. For all of us to bring it home for the guy. The guy will be so happy we finished fixing cars. See those clippers?
Look at that brand new starter.
How much is it, Daddy? How much is it?
How much what?
How much is this car?
How much is it?
Free.
I'm standing on
It was free.
there.
I believe this went.
Light up. It's dark.
Loretta. Be careful in there. Just be careful on the stairs. Okay?
I don't know. What is this?
It's foam.
What? How you feeling, Adam?
Good.
Got yourself some coffees?
Yeah, and the crying was my daughter because she has severe separation anxiety. She thought I was going somewhere because I decided to put my phone on.
Oh man.
And her baby world was in. Now that she realized I'm not going anywhere, she's fine again.
Her separation anxiety is about as bad as a set of Firestone tires on a Ford Explorer. Alrighty, tubes. Oh, this hose stuff needs to get out of the way. This is driving me nuts. We are going to take out that block off plate right down there. It's like 10 millimeter. Could probably get in there with a baby ratchet. It's gonna be a tight fit. How the hell am I gonna get to that? Well, anyways, there's a will, there's a way. So I'm gonna undo that, and then we'll get our master cylinder here. Da-da-da-da. I'm assuming it's gonna go like this, and the line's gonna plug into there. I'm doing this now because what's driving me nuts is I'm trying to put that line in there and I don't know where to put it, so I'm gonna get this in first. So that's that. Yeah, and then just plug in the line. I'm gonna find another vacuum cap to plug that off, and then we just need to bleed the clutch. We'll have to install this guy here, which he's just gonna go right there. Oh man, guys, we are struggling, or we're getting the bolts out for the block off plate and the firewall. Yeah, they red Loctited those sumbitches on, so it ended up busting a nut, 2 nuts, off the
Frickin'
firewall.
snapped right off.
Oh yeah, gone.
And there's some carnage down here because it took up part of the firewall.
Yeah, we're not gonna show that. We're just gonna.
Why? This is the best part.
We're just gonna band-aid that. So now I'm gonna take my new guy here and I'm gonna set it in there. I'm gonna thread a bolt in. He's gonna run the nuts down, and then we'll just snug it up. And that'll be done in 5 seconds. And then let's see.
Now that you cleaned them up.
Yeah. Oh, I better put the metal part of the line in here and then snake that down. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna do that and then I'll fish that in there. So once we do that, I can mount this, and then I'm gonna drill a little hole right here, and I've got the screw for it, but a little reservoir is gonna sit right about here. Alright, tubes, she's pretty much buttoned up. I still haven't done a plug for that, but going to here in a minute. We're gonna bleed the clutch line, or the clutch thing out, and try and,
Oh, fuck this.
well, once I make sure the clutch disengages all the way, it's just,
You sure you don't want to bleed that fuel system for an hour to figure out the lip pump's dead? You're like, we did everything. Well, let's start.
fuck. I gotta get my floor jack and get the back end off the jack stands. And then everything else is put back together. Stuff is zip tied. Anything that need to be zip tied is zip tied. We got I think enough clutch disengagement to be able to get it in gear, but we're gonna find out. Starts up pretty good though. Alright, I gotta get back under there. Fuck. Well, I'm gonna call her a day here. It runs. Just need to get the clutch bled out. Just need to bleed it some more. So I'm gonna try and roll it out of here. Get it out of here and jack it back up and put my mat back under here and see if I can bleed her out some more. I just need some more room. I can't work on it in here anymore. So anyways, check out the links down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you in the next video. Maybe we'll go for a test drive.